Diamond discs are designed to be used with our diamond guides, but they can also be paired with our file guides when combined with the trigger clamp system. Discs perform especially well on side edges, since you can rotate the disc to reveal a fresh section of diamond at any time, something not possible with traditional stones. They're also excellent for hand use and easy to carry in your pocket. Every disc is precision machined flat and available in 5 grits, each identified by its anodized color and laser etching. 120 and 200 grit are ideal for removing heavy burrs and sharpening skis and boards that are more dulled. 400 grit works both for sharpening and polishing, while 600 and 1000 grit are designed for fine and ultra-fine polishing. Best of all, when the diamond surface eventually wears, there's no need to replace the entire tool. Simply swap in a new disc of the same grit. For the sharpest results and longest diamond life, we recommend using SIDECUT edge oil or cutting solution. Apply just 1 to 2 drops, spread it evenly, and wipe away debris with a coarse towel. Let the disc dry before returning it to its protective case.